kilala nyo naman ako, di ba? Dapat ganyan. So, di ba moms, before the pandemic, we used to go to the market like almost on a daily basis para fresh ang produce. But now, we have to create a schedule na once a week, ganyan, para din hindi tayo masyadong ma-expose.
Yes.
So, our vegetables are in danger na of decaying sa ref o kaya sa pantry. So, we have to extend the shelf life of everything na nabibili natin sa market. So, usually, we just wrap it on sa plastic, o kaya meron kang Ziploc, o kaya meron kang reusable na tubs that you put in the ref. But I will teach you something na mas tatagal yung gulay.
Okay.
Yung mga fresh na bagay. So, what you do is you wrap it in foil. So, what this does, different from plastic, kasi when, konting science, when gulay kasi ripens or anything fresh, it produces ethylene gas. And it's what causes the food to ripen para mag-mature. So when that is trapped in an enclosed space, like let's say plastic or Ziploc, nag-over-ripen, nagiging soggy.
Kaya ba nagmo-moist?
It's the gas.
Okay.
That makes it like that.
When
so,
it's exposed.
When it's exposed.
Okay.
So when you wrap it, for example, in foil, so ako what I do, actually, kung kunyari mag-chop suy ka, limbawa meron kang pinrepare na menu planning, diba? I cut na the vegetables already. So when you flash freeze like fruits or veggies, you blanch them and you flash freeze them, it lasts longer and the nutrients stay inside the gulay rather than ganito. And of course, whatever is in the farm na mga harmful stuff like pesticides or whatever, nawawala na siya kasi you already pre-cooked or you pre-cut and pre-washed the
Mars. Okay, so paano yun? So
Pinatay
you
mo na
pre-cut
yung
it, tapos
bacteria.
you blanch it already.
You know, when you pre-cut it, you soak it in either organic vegetable soak.
Okay.
Or ako, what I do is I get an organic dish cleaner. Pwede
Yes,
yan, Marsha. Basta it's plant-based. And then you leave it in the, siguro, planggana for like 5 minutes. Tapos, when you see you pull out the gulay, sobrang daming nasties na nandun. So, di ba may mga spaces? That's where the gas seeps through.
Okay.
Para yung ethylene gas hindi siya matrap. Tapos, mas matagal. So, normally, ang ganitong gulay, mga 3 days, pag mabubulok na siya, diba? But when you do this, 1 month, it will last in the ref. So, ganun.
1 month?